We're just gonna still wait for
Well, I mean,
Jordan.
it's not a big deal. I'm sure he'll be here soon. Um, so now we're doing this task about the show event, and these are two scenarios we need to do.
Right.
Some data. She asked during the approval that we make it have some specific information,
Okay.
not just looking for the headers and stuff like that. So I still have some here. Okay, and so I'm pretty sure the process should be so git clone. Oops. There we go. I need to get the latest and greatest here. There we go. Okay. Morning. Okay. And now if we go into the cd cd buttons, I need to capitalize it. Okay. Let's see what we got in here. Cool. So I should be able to, I think, do a git fetch. Now this may not be a big deal because this is just already done, so I just cloned it, but be sure I think we need to do this every time.
Right.
Yep, already up to date, just like it says. And then so dash B here creates a branch. We're gonna name it show events. That's what we're doing with the show events user story. And we're also going to check it out at the same time.
Fiddle.
It might not like the space I had. There we go.
Sounds good.
Switch to new branch. Cool. And as you see, we have a branch here. Now, I have no idea if it actually did it up here yet or not, because that's the thing I really wasn't ever really sure about is how the hell it works up here. Yeah. So I'm not really logged in.
So yeah, the branch. Did the branch?
It definitely did. Yeah, so we should be okay there. I don't know if these forks is 5 of them, but I don't see yours that you said you did.
Yeah, I'm there. Mine isn't my name. It's like a different.
Oh, okay. Okay, so the branch and a git status should do nothing because I haven't changed anything. Yep. And just for the hell of it, I want to change something to see what the hell happens. Here's a readme. Oh, hey Jordan.
Hey Jordan.
Cool. Clean. Nice. Okay. I mean, then we just see the adds and commits. Either you do a dash capital A for all, or you can just do a period as a, and wild card, and then we do commits with a dash m and a note, and after that we just push. And I think that should pretty much be it, because once we push it, we should be able to see it up here, I think. That's why I'm still a little confused. I think I'm going to have to sign my login. But because I'm a collaborator, though, it should be okay. Because I do remember putting my collaboration here. It's weird, though. Didn't see... It only shows people who actually have already collaborated.
Sorry about that.
No problem. So just to cover all bases. Can't see anything. Could you make your console bigger? That's what's causing this thing to do this. I've always tried to do the whole.
Oh, who, me?
Yeah.
No, I didn't.
No, could you make it bigger? That's what I'm saying.
Oh, on mine.
There we
that
go.
work?
Yep, perfect. So, well, I can tell what the top one was.
Can you just share that with me? Or it's
Oh, of
yours,
course.
Joseph?
Yeah, I'll share it with you. Is it George J?
O-R. You can just type it in.
And what's thank you. Cool. Thank you.
Thank you.
So I just did a clone. I think that's what we discussed last Wednesday. I did a clone straight from
What?
the original. Not this one. Crap. This one. I just copied this, cloned it, did a CD into the bums, did a fetch and a pull, which shouldn't really be necessary because it's the first time I loaded it. And then I did a git checkout with a branch argument, and I didn't realize until it said invalid that we can have spaces. And so the branch name I made was show_events.
Cool.
That's all we got into.
Cool.
Did I screw anything up, or is that good?
Sounds good to me.
Cool. Great. Okay. So, I guess the first thing we need to do is make the cucumber test.
Mm-hmm.
So that's in features and create a file. See, feature. Okay, because I like copying and pasting what I can, I'm going to grab this guy. But obviously that changes. And changes. Yeah, feel free to change that. Who is calling me? It's just my alma mater asking for money. Okay. So we got a list of events here. You can keep these the same for now. And then you can assume we're on the home page, but this guy's got to change. So I'm going to copy these two over.
Wait, what are we changing? The
Scenario. Yes.
Oh, okay.
You know, I'm not going to delete it just in case
I'll post, the scenarios from the pivotal tracker, like on there for reference.
I literally copied them over.
Oh, okay.
I'm not sure if this is going to be the right way we want to test for it. I don't know if you watched the video, but Professor Williams said that we should not just test title, but also see the filler information. So yeah, I should actually do is this. Who wants some grub? And that, and then Anson grub. Nice one, dude. And description is foo.
Okay, then oh, okay, fine.
I mean, it's up to you. Feel free to change it, and I'll just update it.
I just thought it would be a little creative, but it's fine not to be either.
So I mean, does he still look good, or maybe when I press?
More details. I think that should be different.
Yeah, probably.
I don't know what that should be.
That's a good question. Because we got to somehow reference the correct one, right?
Mm-hmm.
How do we do it in that one homework? You guys have access to a lot of my old homeworks. Movies controller? No, not controller. Where's the views at? That's what I want to really look at. Here we go. Huh. Somehow it just knew.
Check the web steps, maybe?
I'm sorry. It's right here. I'm silly. So more about, and then the title is what we need to have there, something like that.
That's what, yeah, okay.
Or web steps. That would have been smarter to check.
Also, I don't know if this decision should happen now, or if we should just do something for now and change it later. But do we want the title of the event to be clickable as the more details?
Honestly, so my only concern, and when I was looking ahead at, was how are we going to make sure that there isn't maybe two events with the same name? Because I don't know how we're going to be able to test this properly if there's two events with the same name. In either case that you mentioned just now.
Two events with the same name.
Yeah.
I mean, that's something.
Well, why don't we use the ID
Okay.
instead of the name?
Yeah.
Because each of these has its own ID as well.
Yeah. I mean, it kind of sucks we have to display that, but
We don't have to display that. We
Oh.
can make that a part of the. As part of the. What's the word? You know how you have like the class and the something else for a HTML element?
wasn't it ID? Isn't that what it was?
If it's ID, then you don't have to display it. It can just be like an attribute. Yeah, an ID attribute.
Oh.
If you look on my screen, you'll see. So it would be like, I think in the link to, we would make the link to, give it an argument, comma, and then, I don't know, something like movie ID or something like that. That's how the auto grader works.
Oh, really?
Yeah, the auto grader checks the IDs of the HTML elements. That's how it knows what to click on.
I see.
At least I think that's what she said it will.
That makes sense, really. Yeah, you have to have an. Oh. I thought the IDs had deal more with the CSS code than it did really with the HTML.
Usually,
Okay.
but HTML elements have ID or can.
Okay. I see. So yeah, so what you're saying is we put the movie ID into it. That'll do it for us.
Yeah. So like,
I'm at
if you look at
movie.
my screen
Sorry.
again.
Yep, I'm still looking at it.
Okay. So what we did here with the hash movies,
Mm-hmm.
we can do something like that here. I think. So like here, the percent TD equals link
So
to,
more about.
so I'm assuming that this link to. Here we go.
AN-ID. Huh.
No, an ID.
Oh.
So, like, this is just like a guess, but it would be something like link to the text that we want, ID colon, the ID that we want, and then the class. So just like right here, we would put in the ID that we want.
Okay. I was not sure how we're going to have the cucumber know which one. I mean, right now we can also maybe just do the do it by name, because that would be some place to start with.
Okay, sure. So when I press who wants some grub?
Yeah. And I think you're right. Maybe we should just do it by a title. It makes more sense. So I'm good for that. I'm good with that.
Yep.
Okay.
So we're just gonna make the actual title, name of the event clickable.
Yes.
I think that
Okay.
makes sense. Then I should be on the page, maybe?
Yeah. Then I should be on the event page. And I should see, right? I'm not sure.
I think so.
Oh wait. Oh yeah. Okay. Sorry. Yeah. Feel free to add it. Go for it. I'll change it to and.
Is that how it's phrased?
So I'm trying to remember that too, actually. What's the right one? I go to. So they actually, for like the new movie one, the scenario was when I follow the link, add a new page,
Oh,
and then that was it. There was no that I'm on it. Now, look at the web steps that we have.
okay. This you want to copy that formatting?
Okay, you can do that. So instead of when I press that, it should be when I follow this instead. So as far as I can tell, that'll remove the then I should see in the That should be on the events page and the iPress part. Here is our features. Here we go. Step definitions. Oh, I see. Yeah, it should be follow, not press, because they're different. Click a link is different from click a button.
Okay.
I didn't realize that till now. So this is selector. I don't think it's selector.
The selector is probably.
It's probably paths.
So I'm looking for is the click link one. I mean, you might be right. You might actually need the then I'm on that page because it doesn't look like the follow actually does that work for us. So I'm going to remove the press part because follow should, I think is what the precedent we've had. But I think you're right. I think we do need to do the then I should be on the events page.
Okay.
I mean, the below tests themselves actually should do it for us.
Mhm.
Because only the events page would have that stuff as well.
Mhm.
I don't think we need this one actually, because this information should only be available on the events page, so it'll do what we need it to do.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
So we already have the web steps on click on link, so we should be good there. And I could also just run the test and see if how well it runs right now if you want. Yeah, I haven't done run install in a while yet.
Oh,
Thank you. Cool.
so 26.
Huh. How the hell are things passing? Oh, it's the top one, isn't it?
The other ones.
No, yeah, there two of them are.
Yeah, you're right.
can run it just on that one file if you want.
Oh, I also realized we still have the top scenario. I should get rid of this. I don't need this anymore.
Mhm.
So run it one more time. The last thing's passing.
You can run cucumber features / C event dot feature if you want to just
that's
get the
also good.
failing scenario.
I probably have to do. I think you said it, right?
What's that?
I have to add in the feature in the beginning.
Yeah.
You don't put in a forward slash. No, just no slash.
You trying to do it for me? Sorry.
This is, not hash. There you go.
Thank you. Okay. Yep. So the top two still work.
Well, that's just the background.
Yeah. No. Yeah. I know. And when I follow, unable to find link. Okay. Cool. But that should be working in general there. I think we just need to make the view part for it. Update the view part for it, and
The HTML. Right. See.
Yes.
Yep. Because we didn't have that in there. Are you bringing it up?
Yeah.
Cool.
So it's on index, right?
Yep.
Event.
If you want to uncomment that, I see your screen right now.
Oh, there we go.
Yep.
But we don't
Cool.
need the more about either.
Instead, we're just gonna make.
Actually, we need to change. Yeah,
So
it's got to be.
Move this up there.
Yeah, essentially, you're right. Yep.
Yeah.
Too many cooks.
That's why this name would have. That name would have been.
I'm sorry. What?
That should be good. Right?
Oh.
Try.
Looks good to me.
What happened? Is it the same thing?
Same thing.
No, so I'm able to find.
No, now it's missing. Template events show, which is correct.
Oh, yes, of course, because we don't have a
Yeah.
missing template. Yep.
So
Yeah,
what's it
cool.
called? The view is called show. Type.
Yeah, this next one we're going to create a file under events called show.html.ham.
Okay. We'll just do that.
Oh.
I think we can do that without an RSpec test.
Yeah, no, definitely. All HTML and HAML stuff or any view is not RSpec.
All right. So show.html.haml.
So let me grab what we used to have from the other.
There we go. Well, it works.
Oh yeah, just having it there is enough, right?
Yeah, the error is now the things that it should be seeing, which is correct.
Cool. Well, we should still be able to continue with these tests because we're still on the view part of it. I'm going to copy over what we have for the last homework assignment.
from routing.
and then we'll work from there. If that's okay with you guys.
Yeah, it's good.
Sure.
Oh, I didn't open the new one. That's right. Bones, app, views, events, show. Pasted. So, event, sure. Event and title is still correct, but instead of ratings, we want how to have in the cucumber. That's what's important.
Title, ingredients, description, date. So
Probably didn't do the correct order.
yeah,
I think.
different order.
Oh, what do we have actually for the?
So first one should be title, then
Date, description, ingredients / recipe. That's what we have for our lo-fi. I just brought it up on my screen if you guys want to take a quick look, or you guys can go to the
title, date, description.
Okay. Let's do it that way for now.
We don't want to have like a header of title instead.
Oh, should we just leave that then? Actually, yeah.
Oh, yeah, I guess
Yeah,
title should be a
that's
header,
good.
H1 or something.
So if it's like that, then we can just jump right into ingredients, right? Is that the next one?
Oh no, date is date,
Date. Right, so then I'll just...
and then description, and then ingredients / recipe.
Is that just directly referenced as event.description?
Yes, description, and then this last one's
Ingredients, right?
Don't these need to be interpolated?
What do you mean by interpolated?
Inline.
Sorry.
Don't these need to be in line?
They weren't from the example I have.
Okay, then.
They were not in
as
line.
long as- That's fine. I was just making sure. I guess maybe because it's indented.
Well, because it's not indented. That's why, actually, I think. If it was indented, it would be a lesser hierarchy. So I think that's maybe one of the reasons why. Also, isn't li line? Or is that...
No, it's
List entry.
list item.
So at least... So these are all list items, so they're all going to be in the same row because of that, right?
I don't know. I guess maybe if Hamel was smart enough.
Yeah. Tricky.
So, how descriptions here, should we just get rid of this one list entry of description? And just like leave this here? Yeah, right?
Actually,
And then,
I'm more of a fan of having the description be outside of the list of details.
yeah, right?
Okay.
The details, we should just have the date and the ingredients.
Yeah, that's correct. And but later on, we can change. We can add more things to the details list. Cool.
Okay, now let's see. So on this page, the only link to we have is back to the home page,
Yes.
right?
So I'm going to just comment these other ones out.
Okay.
Or the other guys can maybe reuse later on. But back to event lists or events list. What sounds better?
Event list.
Thank you. Did I do that right?
Yeah, I think so.
The plural that always gets me.
It's a fence path, I believe. I mean, you could just do break routes.
True. Thank you, whoever just started typing that.
So for us, it's, yeah, events
Thank
underscore
you.
path. No problem. Is there any other button that's on this page? No, right?
Let me
I mean, for our part at least, I don't think so.
now. All we have is back to list of all events is actually how it was written here. If we want to change that,
What was it?
back to list of all events is how we
Okay.
wrote it.
Right, so I guess now we could run the cucumber scenario and see how it goes.
Well, we're gonna have
Yeah.
some errors, I'm sure, but now it's worth a try.
Oh, it didn't even.
Don't we need a controller to actually send this thing and give the
Oh,
view
yeah.
its information?
Yeah, we didn't do that yet.
That's going to be our spec stuff. But there's some things I know that I think we'll need to change in our Cucumber first. And before I forget, I wanted to shoot that one out. So since the title isn't title colon anymore, I was going to change this to be details about and then event title. So then, where is that?
Or maybe it's just the event title.
Oh yeah. So I'll remove that, and I'll make should see just the title, and then ingredients, ants, comma, grubs, description, foo, and date. Do we have the date set up correctly? Day, month, year, month in words.
We'll find out. I think so, from what I know of the string format time.
So B is day, but D is yeah, it's confused telling me. Well, yeah, like I said, we'll find out.
Full month name is capital B.
Oh, so it might be. I don't think it's in the right order then, or formatting. I mean,
Capital
full-
B is full month name.
Well, we also didn't define like the param stuff.
Lowercase d is day of month.
The controller.
okay.
And Y is year. That's fine
So
if you're European.
That's how we have it in our test cases. Is
Really?
day, month, year. Yeah,
Okay.
and but not the full month though. Just the
month number.
No, not number. I'm sorry.
Month abbreviated.
Shortened,
name?
abbreviated. Thank you. Abbreviated. Lowercase b.
Yeah.
I think you got it. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, cool. So I guess now we're into R specs, aren't we? Because you have to make the R spec we want for our we have to make this R spec for the code that we want in the controller, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And bless you.
Bless you.
So yeah, you're used to fixtures and I'm not used to that one just yet. But
Yeah.
events controller spec.
It'll still be in that file, I believe.
Okay, that's what I was wondering.
So it's this. Instead of index, or describe. We can use the same fixture. If you guys are cool with that.
Yeah. Totally.
So you'll want to open up the events.yaml file under fixtures. And we will most likely need to add some additional
Information.
fields here.
Okay. I can start working that if you like.
Yeah, it's just like, random stuff.
Meet your maker. I love it.
Close. Real close.
Yeah, I tried to. It turns out this is a person. I was actually Googling it right now. Oh, UCE. Okay, thank you. Yeah, like us. Thank you.
Yep.
Okay, cool. All right, I probably should put
So you
soy
can spell
there
that.
as well.
Nice. Vaginas. Okay.
Taco Tuesday, but not on a Tuesday.
Yeah, Cinco de Mayo is never on a Tuesday. It sucks.
Okay, cool.
Okay, so we can go back to our spec file. There we go. So, right here
Oh, do we want to start doing any commits? Just out of curiosity.
we can.
I mean, yeah, we could do them now, or we could just do them like the end.
Oh wait. First add period. Okay. Git commit -m onto our spec.
Awesome.
Okay, so yeah. Describe show do for each, create the event. Context, find all events on homepage. Okay, so I'm doing this start that, I guess. So the things where we want the code to be able to do is actually, do we need to test the link?
No, that's tested by the cucumber.
Good point. Yes. Yes. Okay. So then we'll just test to see if the data is pulled up, essentially.
Yes,
Or
we're just testing
accessed.
the controller.
Okay.
So expect event to receive some sort of get, I guess. I don't know what's the actual method. Find by ID. Is that how that works?
Let me see.
Let's see what I've done before.
Active record.
So
Fine.
would it be like params.find
Yeah, it'd be
semicolon
events.
ID?
So it'd just be here. No, you expect event to receive fine. At show 1, something like that.
That's right. Yeah, find that with pound ID and return. That's right. Okay, sorry.
How? I'm gonna write it into here.
With ID and return that movie, jeez, event. That's what I used to do, at least for things like
Okay, that's fine. You probably don't need these anyways.
oh, Polony 1, you're saying?
Yeah, we'll make this at event.id.
Yep.
What other things is it going to pull out? The description and
And ingredients. Yeah.
title.
Yes. And date.
Right.
Okay, I'll do the other ones. Well, I'll go from the bottom.
Cool.
Looks good.
So, not it finds all events, but like it pull.
Finds the event, or
I like that. Yeah, finds the event like that.
sends event to view. Oh, it's testing.
Oh yeah, exactly.
With that,
That makes sense to me.
Yep, looks good.
okay. So let's watch this
Try
test
to
fail.
run.
Whoa, that's not the failure I was expecting.
What was that?
Oh, it's just not color coded for some reason. Why?
Let's find some. Undefined method title for event.
Is that not what it? Is that not the right syntax? Oh, there's no title. It's a name.
Oh,
There we go.
I don't even need that though.
Undefined method key.
oops! Did not want to do that.
It doesn't like how I did the argument. The comma at ID.
Hmm.
That might be wrong.
Okay.
It's something like params, something like that. I don't really know.
Let me check old.
Yeah, Chuck, I think they work together on that, right?
Yeah.
I worked with the professor and UFIN on this one. If you want to go to my screen, I have. Well, actually, you can look it up too, because you guys have the access to the whole thing. In the homework acceptance unit test cycle, under under Rotten Potatoes. Did you find it, or?
No, you just pull it up. You're already there. I'm guessing.
Yep. If you want to look at mine, then.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll just look on. You can-
So,
Also,
so find the same director.
That.
Huh. These are only to find the same director, not really much else. Let's say. This is the movie spec one. We did. It's like queries the database.
Here it is. You put it in as a hash.
Ah, thank you.
I don't know if that'll fix it, but yeah, there we go. It failed, as expected.
Cool. So that means we should be able to start writing code, right?
Yeah, I think so.
So not this one, but this one. And controllers, events controller. Yep.
Still should be in show, right?
Yep. Yeah, remember to show old one.
So maybe we set ID.
Yeah. Oh, sorry.
It's fine. You can do it.
Yeah, it's a pretty damn simple one.
And then it's just like
2 lines.
something
Event, capital event, dot find.
And that
Should be good.
should be
You know what's funny? The my homework one, I didn't have the @ for the ID. Doesn't make any sense to me. That's why I wouldn't have had it though.
What?
I didn't have the @ for ID.
Here?
Yeah,
I guess you don't need it.
but
Yeah.
it doesn't hurt though either, right?
Nah, not really.
It's
Yeah.
the same either way.
I mean,
Okay.
are we directly using it in the show view? Yeah, then it doesn't really matter. Yeah, we don't need it.
Yeah, good point. Thank you.
Okay. Whoa,
Oh, that didn't work.
syntax error
Well,
somewhere?
it got rid of one of our errors. Oh, jeez.
Oh, it's like getting it
It's
as
complaining.
the string, right? Instead of the number or something.
Uh-huh.
Huh.
What was that again? It was like
I mean, is it just our RSpec the one that's screwed up in that case?
Yeah, our spec isn't perfect. Oh, we did that 2S. That's what we did. I think that's what we did last time.
Hmm.
Yeah, that fixed it.
Awesome. Sounds good.
There you go. And now we can pop back into Cucumber. Oh no, they're still failing. I don't know why.
Okay, so let's check these out. Oh, why are these failing? 18, 20, okay.
Oh, we used the word title for one.
Oh, instead of name or something like
Yeah.
that.
Here.
That would make sense. Oh, we don't have release
I can see
date.
that.
Is it just called date?
Yeah.
Okay.
Need to be a little more careful. Can't find mapping from an event page to a path.
No, we're good. Well, wait.
They all ran to success, or
Well, the first part works. The first scenario works. So that we did good there then, it looks like. Unless I-
The second one says, "Given I am on an event page."
Oh, wait.
Well, an
There's a
event
should
page
issue.
with-
1 second.
It should be like, "Given I'm an event page for Who Wants Some Grub," right?
Yeah.
Do you guys see the depreciation of using should thing in the Cucumber?
That presentation. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think I can fix that. I didn't copy that one over originally.
Okay.
There we go.
What's going on?
So I've added an RSpec one, so that should fix the whole depreciation issue.
Oh.
Yep,
You
there
rerun
we go.
the Cucumber. You rerun the Cucumber test. Not the RSpec test.
Yeah, but sorry, it's in the Cucumber test. You're right, but it's actually called rspec.rb in the Cucumber test folder.
Oh. Weird.
Yeah, no, right?
Okay. Well, regardless, we still have one scenario failing here.
Oh, you're right. I just wanted to do a little clean house. Okay. So given I'm on the events page for this, oh, is that right?
I think so. I'm not sure.
Well, so we're not actually on the events page at that time. I think that's the. So that
I think we are, yeah, because we're pressing
When
We're
we say
testing
Well, no,
given,
back home.
it's a new scenario.
When we say given I am on the event page for, that will bring us to that page.
Oh,
Or at
Okay,
least it
and
should. We need to check the web steps.rb.
that might be why we don't do it yet.
Is it path to page name? So we need to go to our paths.rb. And it should be
Yeah, so it's like this one, but we want to have an. Oh wait, edit page.
it's actually more like this one, I think.
Begin. Oh yeah, you're absolutely right.
Wait, can we also just change this to since it has like we start off at the BUMS homepage, could just be like when I follow who wants someone grub, and when I press back to home, then I should be back on the homepage.
We can do that.
But is that how you should do it?
Like that. It should
Yeah.
I don't think that's the way it should be.
Then I press and I. Or
The last one should be then. No, and I press,
then I should be on the homepage.
and that should be then. Yeah.
Possibly that's gonna work.
It may work.
I'm sorry. What was that?
That may work.
Unable to find button. Oh, because the button's name is back to list of all events.
Oh yeah.
That's why.
Moment, I think.
Should I just change back to list of all events to back to home, or change it in the?
I think it should be back to home.
Yeah.
I think
Try it.
makes more sense.
Try it now. I just changed it in the. Wait, hold on.
Go for it.
Wait, it's like case sensitive. Yeah. Now it should be good.
So both schools just called me for money. Is they like ask alumni for money?
Yeah.
I don't know. I'll ask my brother. He got a call from Bantam too.
Me too. That's why I just got my second call from. Ugh.
Still can't find back to home. Did you save it?
Now
Does look like it's saved. Yeah.
pretty sure I already had it. That's
Huh.
weird.
Nope.
Okay. Hmm.
Curious what it actually is showing. How do we run the Rails?
I think we can if you want to. Oh,
Yeah,
how do
that.
you? Yeah,
How
I got it
does
right here. One second. There you go. Got to read me at the most up level, so we can. Huh? Why is there the space odyssey? Why the hell is that stuff in there?
Oh,
From the.
from the
That's all
first
from-
time. That's what's in our seed.
Oh, okay.
Well, I
The back
see
to
the
home
back-
button works.
Yeah.
but I think it's just having trouble finding it. Maybe because it's not a button.
Oh wait, did you have a button? It should follow then. If it.
Yeah, it should be follow, probably.
I believe that might be the issue.
Where the heck was that one? Events control.
Got it.
No. There we go.
Well, we have it as when I follow back to home already.
Something was not
No,
happening.
I just changed it like a second ago.
Okay, so it follows. Back to
Oh.
can't find.
On the
Oh, it
bumps
just needs a mapping?
homepage.
Okay.
Yeah, that would help too.
expected /got/events. We should fix that in our paths.rb. Or
Yes, it would just fix it in our paths.rb.
The bum's
'Cause that's-
homepage.
That's where it's gonna bring us anyways.
Well, I think other people are using that already as a test case. So I don't know if we can.
yes, I had been using that last week.
Yeah.
Oh.
I think our link to should go to the root path then.
Isn't that what isn't?
It's going to events path.
Yeah, not
We're not going back. So this link to was written to take you not back to the home page, but it was written to take you to the list of all events.
so you could just call it root
Oh.
_ path.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's like a subtle difference. But
it's important.
Let's say later. Yeah, let's say that later on we decided to change it such that the home page is not a list of all events. Then it would be different.
And
Cool.
there we go.
But right now, it's not a meaningful difference. Okay, so all the cucumber tests, not just this new ones, pass. All the RSpec tests, pass. So we're all good.
Okay.
So let's go to the task real quick. So create a link from homepage. We did that.
Okay, check it.
We got a view.
Yep.
We
Yep.
fill in the events controller with our respect even.
Yep.
And I have a link back to the homepage. Good job, guys.
Awesome.
All right, so let's commit and push, and then
Yep.
submit a pull request. And since you're team lead for the week, Joe, you can actually approve it right away.
Cool. Whoop. Sorry, something dropped. Okay, so we've already saved everything. File. Yep. Good. So git add dot git commit -m cucumber and our spec are green. Cool. And then git push, right? Yep. Yeah, I'm really surprised I didn't have to log in at all. Unless it remembers from some other time I've done it. But in any case, so
Yep. 3 branches.
cool.
All right.
Show events. So it's can I show you do it?
What's that?
There's a whole new keeps here, compare and pull request. There we go. So if we do a compare,
Yep, you can see all the changes that you made.
some red ones, which is just us removing things, it looks like, which is
Yeah, red is for deletions.
Yeah.
It doesn't
Okay.
mean bad.
we deleted and added it. And it's things I don't care about. Okay, cool.
So, do we need anything else, or that's it, right?
I think we're done.
Right.
Yeah, I think we did
I
that.
will stop the broadcast.